position that you'll be standing in while you're waiting for the horn is the low ready. The muzzle, that thing at the end of your rifle, you know, the little flash hider, bird cage, whatever you want to call it, that's wrong. That thing will be below your belt buckle. Your weapon will be on safe. When you hear the horn, you present to the target as you're coming up, weapon goes on fire, you do your shots. When you're all done, weapon goes back on safe, and then you go back to the low ready. Everybody good on that? All right, here we go. Shooters! 2 to the chest, 1 to the head. Target 1. Stand by. Ceasefire, ceasefire. Shooters, 2 to the chest, 1 to the head. Target 2. Stand by. Ceasefire, ceasefire. Shooters, 2 to the chest, 1 to the head. Target 3. Stand by. Ceasefire, ceasefire. Shooters, 2 to the chest, 1 to the head. Target 4. Stand by. Ceasefire, ceasefire. Unload, show clear to your safeties. Weapons on safe.
Good.
As soon as we're clear, we'll move down range to score stage 1. Good, Caban. Good, good, good. All right, shooters, move down range to your targets. And please remember,